Hello, this is Randy Ewart of CT Sped Math Dude. This video is on counting out the total value of a given set of coins. And this is a virtual version of a paper document that I had created previously with a former colleague. And so I'm going to show you how this virtual artifact works. So let's take a look. So we have the money table here, and then we have a given set of coins at the top here. This version has extras, which I'll keep out of sight so we can focus on the little pile given to us. And the student would start with a quarter and would move the coin down to the 25. And you can see it really helps them keep track of what the actual numbers. And then they would go to the dime, teaching them how to pick the correct coins as part of the process. And so then they would learn that you would go up 10, and so that would be 35. And I'm obviously rushing through this because I'm talking to you and not to my actual students. So there's a lot more involved as far as instructing them on this. So I'm giving you the quick version of what's going on. So then we would start with a nickel and we'd say, okay, go to your dime where you left off and now move over 5. And so now you're at 40. And then same thing, you go to where you left off and move over one more. And you can see, they can see the numbers. And then you're really teaching them the rules of the game about what you use first and where you put it and how do you navigate the table. And once they learn these rules, they start to focus in on the values and they start to see, oh, a nickel, I go over 5. And while they're thinking 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they can see the numbers. They don't have to track both. They don't have to go 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and simultaneously they're counting to 5 while they're counting up to 40, which is tricky. So this scaffolds that, and I've had a lot of great success with this. I worked with one student in February. She was counting pennies, and then through using this table, by June, she was able to count out dimes, nickels, and pennies without any support. And then she started using this for quarters, and I have a quarter version of this, which I'll share at another time. And if you look if you look on the YouTube page, you'll see a link to the blog post with information about this, and a link to my the paper version. And then you'll also see a link to a copy of this that you could use with your own students. And that is counting coins.